Hey, it's Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine. And in 2021, my partner Brett Rutecki and I released a 6-week video training course where we taught people to make money online using the power of simple videos. Now, the amazing thing about this training is that every single person that took action on it made money.
Every single person who attended the live calls, who followed the training, and who took action on what we taught them made money. But there was a big problem, a problem that got us so disheartened that we stopped selling the training. And this issue was the fact that a lot of people never even attended the live calls. They never even showed up. And of those people that did show up, many people never took action on what we taught them. They did nothing, so they got no results. The simple truth is that for a lot of people, a 6-week training program was just too intensive. They had other obligations. They had family obligations. They had work obligations. They just did not have time to put in the effort that was required to follow a 6-week program. And that was the end of that. We stopped selling the training, even though it was successful for everybody that took action, simply because we realized a lot of people just didn't have the time to take the action that was required. And then something happened, something pretty awesome. AI took over. AI came around, and I realized that I could use the power of AI to completely automate the training that we were teaching people. So now there's no more 6 weeks course. There's no more bunch of work to do. You simply utilize the AI to do everything for you. And this is the thing that makes Auto Affiliate different from other programs that you've seen. You see, most of the AI tools that come out now are kind of gimmicks. They have a gimmick that uses AI and says you can make money if you do this new gimmicky thing. Whereas Auto Affiliate didn't start with a gimmick. Auto Affiliate started with a proven system and then used AI to automate it. This way, anybody can make money with affiliate marketing without needing to do a bunch of work. Let me go ahead and show it to you right now. And then afterwards, scroll down to the middle of the page to see an actual demo of what happened when I used it in my own business. Alrighty, let's get right to it.